Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. I got a mystery package from Amazon today, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So these are actually two products that were sent to me. I didn't know they were coming from Amazon, and they are from a brand called Vitamins Hair Cosmetics. They are a keratin based hair care company. I'm so excited to try this stuff out because it's good for thinning hair, and my hair is thinning and it can need all the help it can get. So let's talk about the two products that I received. First, we have the keratin hair mask, and this is good for dry to damaged hair. It has biotin, castor oil, and collagen. So with this product, all you have to do is wash your hair like normal, rinse it all out, and then you leave this in for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is really good. Put it in your hair. Then I say clip your hair up, wash your body, shave, do whatever, and then rinse this out. So I'm excited to try this out. Next we have their keratin serum. So this also has biotin, castor oil, and a little bit of a collagen boost, and you just put this in your hair when it's damp but almost dry. And I want to smell this. I don't know why I love smelling hair products. It smells like sunscreen. It smells so good. Thank you, Hair Vitamins Cosmetics, for sending me these products. I'm so excited to try them out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for product reviews of these because they will be over there. If you guys want to check out the products, they will be linked down below in the description box. And that is it for this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, like I said, for product reviews. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.